In this video, I want to tell you about this book I authored. Learn SOLIDWORKS, get up to speed with key concepts and tools to become an accomplished SOLIDWORKS associate and professional. This is the second edition of this book. So we have been using and training SOLIDWORKS for over a decade now. We taught online, in person, and did both live and pre-recorded trainings. We have had over 50,000 learners learning with us up to the point of recording this video. To our dedicated learners, thank you very much for getting us this far. Back to the book. We took all the experience we got throughout the years and put them together in a written format with this book. So if you are looking for a written medium to learn SOLIDWORKS from scratch to the certified professional level, this book is for you. This is the second edition, which has about 670 pages. They include over 100 exercises, 45 videos, and many downloadable files, and a couple of projects as well that you can use as practice and as portfolio pieces. Compared to the first edition, this one has an extra 100 pages of content that you requested. This book adopts a practical approach to learning. So we explore every concept and tool with exercises, and every exercise is explored with detailed steps and tons of graphics. In addition, we have videos showing you how to follow those steps. With all this, we leave you no chance of getting confused following with the book. So if you are looking for a book to learn SOLIDWORKS, go no further. This is your best option to get started. We will have the Amazon link for this book below this video in the description, where you can get more information about the book's content. You can also ask any questions about it using the comments below. If you prefer learning using video content, you can check out our online school at school.t4design.com. There, we have many comprehensive SOLIDWORKS and design programs to upskill yourself very quickly. Happy learning!